Ever wondered about the secret engine that drives the creation of new life? It's a tiny, intricate process that happens inside half the world's population every single month. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on one of the most incredible events in the human body, ovulation. This isn't just a topic for biology class. It's the story of potential, a monthly miracle that holds the key to the continuation of our species. So, grab a comfy seat and let's explore the hidden wonder that is ovulation. From the moment a person with ovaries is born, they carry all the eggs they will ever have, millions of them, tucked away safely. Think of it like a treasure chest full of potential. As they enter puberty, a new chapter begins. Each month, the body's internal clock, orchestrated by a symphony of hormones, starts preparing for a very special event. The main players are hormones like FSH, or follicle-stimulating hormone, and LH, luteinizing hormone. FSH gets the party started by encouraging a few eggs, each housed in a tiny fluid-filled sac called a follicle, to grow and mature within the ovaries. It's like a friendly competition. Several follicles start the race, but usually only one becomes the chosen one, the dominant follicle. This star player grows bigger and stronger while the others fade away. As it matures, this dominant follicle produces another crucial hormone, estrogen. As estrogen levels rise, they signal to the brain that things are progressing beautifully. This rising estrogen also works to thicken the lining of the uterus, called the endometrium, preparing a soft, nutrient-rich bed just in case a new life needs a place to implant and grow. It's an amazing feat of biological architecture, all happening without us even noticing. Then comes the main event, the climax of the cycle. The LH surge. Once estrogen reaches its peak, it triggers a dramatic spike in luteinizing hormones. This LH surge is the final go-ahead, the green light for the ovary. About 24 to 36 hours after this surge, the mature follicle ruptures, releasing the ready and waiting egg. This is ovulation. The egg, which is about the size of a grain of sand, is gently swept up by the feathery ends of the fallopian tube, embarking on its journey toward the uterus. This is a journey of hope, a tiny traveler waiting for a potential meeting. The window of opportunity is surprisingly short. Once released, the egg is viable for only about 12 to 24 hours. It's during this brief period that conception can occur. If sperm are present in the fallopian tube at this exact time, they will race towards the egg. Only one can successfully fertilize it. If fertilization happens, a new, unique genetic code is created, and the journey of a new life begins. The fertilized egg, now called a zygote, will continue its travel down the fallopian tube to the uterus, where it will hopefully implant in that cozy lining and start to develop. But what if the egg doesn't meet a sperm? Well, the body has a plan for that too. The empty follicle that released the egg transforms into something called the corpus luteum. This little structure is a temporary hormone factory producing progesterone. Progesterone keeps the uterine lining thick and stable, just in case of a pregnancy. If no pregnancy occurs, the corpus luteum breaks down after about 10 to 14 days. Progesterone levels fall, signaling the body to shed the uterine lining, which results in a menstrual period. And just like that, the cycle begins all over again. Understanding ovulation is more than just a science lesson. It's about appreciating the incredible intelligence and precision of the human body. It's a monthly reminder of the potential for life, a beautifully coordinated dance of hormones and cells. Whether you're planning a family, tracking your health, or just curious about how your body works, knowing about this process is incredibly empowering. It truly is a hidden miracle happening quietly inside us, powering the very beginning of life itself. Thanks so much for joining me on this journey today. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next deep dive into the wonders of the human body. See you next time.